So welcome back. We are now on scene 3. I just trimmed my scene 2 at 2:15. So let's take a look at scene 3. So scene 3 consists of a hammer. Scene 3 consists of a hammer and a nail, which we can do easily in Apple Motion. I will turn off my scene 2 and I will turn on my scene 3. I already import my PNG hammer and added some filter. Let's change its rotation to 180. Then adjust the scale around something like this, 70. Then to create the nail, it's really easy. Let's press C on our keyboard and let's make a circle. Then this nail, we need to have this one. Okay, like this, and then let's group them. Command the Shift G, then rename it as nail. Then this nail group, I will put it inside the new group. Command Shift G again, and then I will rename that group as a nail final. Then here on the nail final, I will add some rectangle mask. So Option R, and then add the mask on our nail. Then here on our hammer, let's adjust its anchor point. Let's put it in the bottom of the nail. Then this hammer, we need to animate its Z rotations, just like this. So let's do that. Let's adjust its X position first, and also our nail final. Let's put it in the center. So hammer, and then Z rotation, around 20 frames. So in here, so if we look at it, it will look like this. Then let's change its interpolation. Then every time our hammer hits the nail, let's animate the position of the nail group. So around here, then 10 frames. The following steps is just animating the hammer and the nail group. Then one more thing is we need to animate the scale of our nail so that it looks like it's getting flattened. Okay, and then here on the last part, we noticed that they started to flicker. So we can do that here on the opacity. Let's add parameter behavior and then randomize. Let's trim our randomize to start here, or around maybe here. Then let's increase the amount something like 50%, and then so there's no change. Let's take a look. So it doesn't work here on the opacity. Let's change it to add and subtract. So you can see that it's flickering now. Let's increase the amount. Okay. And then it will cut off here, and we will now proceed to scene 4.